Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will be starting 2016 May June uh, paper 2 variant 2, and the part we are going to do, that is in the database access. We will do it. So let's start. Here you can see that task 3, you are now going to prepare some reports for the company. Make sure all currency values display the euro sign and are zero decimal places, and using a suitable software database which is known as database package, import the file j226 csv. csv is the comma separated value. So let's start. We'll go for blank database. We'll create this one, and first of all I will close this table because we don't need it now. To import something, definitely we have to go for the external data, and from here we have to go from the file, text file. Though in different softwares they have different settings, so definitely as we are importing, this is the import link, and from the new data source from file, definitely the text file we have to import. Okay, so let's see. I'll go for desktop. We have 2016 and the file is here, and that is j226 CRHS. We'll open this one. Okay, so here this is delimited, and first of all we'll do it, we'll select this DMY, day, month and year, and we'll go for next, and we'll click on the first row contains the field name, this one, and we'll go for the next. Now we'll see that what are the data types. First three, these are all text. So we'll change from here. This is short text, this is also short text, this is also short text. The next one, it is uh, number length. It is number and format to one decimal places, which we will do it later, but first we will select the data type, that is number. So here you can see that there are decimal places, so it will be double as always. Now let's go next. This is text, this is currency, and all are numbers. So this is text, this is currency, so I'll change it to currency, and all are numbers. So we are done over here. Next we will go, and according to the question paper it is said that the yacht id field will be the primary key. So I'll choose my own primary key, yacht id. From the drop down menu you can select the yacht id, and we'll go next and finish. Now we'll load this file and go to home, and we'll design it. Now start from again the length. It says that it will be number and format will be one decimal places, so length number is okay. And then what we'll do, it is written double, it's okay. And the decimal places, it will be one decimal places, and the format we'll choose as fixed, because we have to go for the take the advantages of this fixed. Why? So that we can get the uh, I mean next number, like the rounded up, which is known as rounded up function. We can get the privilege of the rounded up numbers. Now I'll save it and go to the design view over here. And another thing, this is this price all are showing in dollars. We'll change it. Let's check it out. Format, yes, we found the euro, and again we'll save and go to the design view. So all the euros have come. Now we have saved the data. I'll take the evidence. Which evidence we'll take? We'll go to this one. I'll take the evidence from this length, especially. I'll take this whole thing, which includes all these things. We'll take and place it in the evidence document. Now, I hope you know how to do that. Now, create a data entry form including all fields from the CSS table. Now, let's see. We'll go to create. I'll go for this form wizard, or yeah, form wizard, and from Yachts table we'll create the form. It will be columnar, that is column, and that's it. We can write down the form name. Okay, form name should be there. Modify the form design, and that's it. We got this. This is our design view, and here we have form view and layout view. We can change the in this two things. Anything we want to change, it will be from here. And this is our real form. Okay, so now what you have to do, we have done it. Use the form created in step 26 and enter the following record. So let's see, the table is already open, so we cannot create the form, so you must close the table. Okay, but before that we have to save it. Okay, now we can go to the form. This is the form. As we have to enter the new record, so how will you do that? Below you can see that there is a next record, last record, and new blank record. I will click on the new blank record over here, and in this way I can copy and paste. So during the exam you have to type, there will be no copy option. Okay, this is 2011 6 and 3, 6 and 3. So earlier it was 448, now it is 449. Now we can save it, and definitely they will ask check your data entry errors, save the data, and take the screenshot of this evidence. So we'll take the screenshot of this whole thing, including the yachts, and we'll place it in the evidence document like evidence 7. Now, evaluate the design of your data entry form. So you have to write 2 or 3 points or more, using no more than 50 words. So you can write down the title is okay, and there are you should write the good things and the bad things of this report, of this form. So you can write that all the things are consistent, but there are some problems like how to fill up the form. The suggestion is not given, and also the navigation bars are also missing. So these 4 lines you can write over here. So moving on to next, import the file j226 builders.csv to in this database. So let's go external data, new data source from file, text files, and we'll bring up the builders from here. Okay, advanced, we'll go for dmy. Actually it is required when there is date, month, and date is mentioned. And first row contains the field names definitely, and all are okay, there is no specific setting, it is all done. And builder id will be the primary key, so I'll go next, and builder id from the drop down menu I'll select and finish. So close, I'll save this, and I will close everything. Now we have forms, we have 2 tables. Let's see, evidence document. They are asking for what? Creating one-to-many relationship between these two things, that is the builder id from the builders table and builder id from the ERCS table. Now why this relationship is done? Because see, there are 2 tables. I will add both over here. uh, this relationship is done so that to reduce the workload. Actually, if you pull on one id, then definitely all the information from both the tables you can attach. Now from builder id to this builder id, will create one-to-many relationship. See here, one-to-many relationship create. So you'll see this kind of thing. Now they will tell you to take the screenshot. So in this way, arrange the whole thing